welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you a stitch fix. I have actually been sitting on this box since the end of February, and as you guys know, I was really sick and I couldn't get to it. So I actually went on to extend my thing, my return, whatever you want to call it, and they had actually extended it for me until the first week of May, and then I actually went on there and extended it a little bit further until the end of May, so that way I just had a little bit more time to get through it. Now, I did say that I'm not spending frivolously during this time. However, it is my birthday month, and we did cancel our trip to Jamaica for August and pushed our Vegas trip back. So basically I have money for a vacation that's no longer being spent. So I have a little bit of extra money. I'm not going to go hog wild. We are getting a few things this month, but I did want to get another Stitch Fix before the end of the month. So I would like to get into this. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription or clothing styling service, however you like to word that. I kind of use them interchangeably. Stitch Fix uses it interchangeably, but you basically just get a box whenever you want. You know, you're not stuck to any one date or anything like that. You can choose to get it every couple weeks. You can choose to get it once a month, once every couple of months. It just depends on what you want. You can always extend the date if you have a date set up and you don't want that. There will be a playlist down below of Stitch Fix if you are not aware of what Stitch Fix is, but you get charged a styling fee depending on how you go about it, whether you do the monthly or you get the yearly styling pass. But either way, that money is put right back onto like your first purchase. It goes into your first purchase. So it's not money wasted. So you open it up and you get your burrito of clothing. You also get a bag with a return shipping label. So whatever you don't keep, you just toss it in the bag and throw it back in the mail. I'm pretty sure that I asked for date night dresses. I did peek. I know that I did not get that, and I know that there is even a skirt in here that I already own, which should not be happening unless it's a different color. But anyway, you get a note here from your stylist. I'll post that up in one of the corners. You do get your invoice, and it tells you everything that's in it, how much it costs. And if you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. I'll pin this up somewhere. Your stylist picks from Karen. I don't know, that might be a new stylist. Maybe that's why I didn't get what I wanted. I don't recall. I would have to actually check. But let's get into this box. So first up, we have the Stacy Faux Suede Pencil Skirt by Renee C. and Olive in a small petite for $48. We also have the Ampton Tie Detail Blouse. It says it's in black, but I don't think that's correct. By Serene. I've never heard of that brand before, and a small for $58. So I was wrong. I don't have this exact skirt, but I have one very similar. It's in olive, it's in suede. The only difference is this is higher waisted and it doesn't have a zip. It's just a slip-on skirt. It is cute, it is my style. Unfortunately, I do own one that is very similar. I think this top is cute, and I agree that it's in my style. It is just too small across the breast. It is a material that doesn't have a lot of give, so you can see how it kind of bunches up above my breasts instead of just falling naturally. So it is just a little too tight. If I wanted this, I would have to size up. I am going to consider keeping this top and sizing up. It just depends if they actually have it in stock, just because, like I said, I've been sitting on this box since February, so they may not have it in stock anymore. Next up, we have the Slate Knit Dress by Wisp. The color is pink and a size 4 for $84. I really like the style of this dress. I really like the way this looks on me. I am not a huge fan of paisley, but when I look in the mirror at this dress, I really like the dress. When you go in to check out, you can often size up, size down, but sometimes they also have the dresses in different colors. So when I go to check out, I'm actually going to see if they have this dress in maybe a solid print or a different type of print, maybe a leopard print, something like that. It is just a little bit too tight right here, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to size up or if I just want to keep it the same. It's not bad when I'm walking around. It's just right here underneath the breast. I always have a hard time with things fitting in that area. It sucks. I may have to size up because this isn't very stretchy material. This is, but this part right here isn't. And if it was, it would fit just fine. So it's a consideration. Next, we have a Shea crochet detailed dress by Michael Bors in navy and a small for $135. I think that this dress is cute. I love the detailing. I love the crochet detailing. I really like the detail of the peplum sleeve. It fits great. It's really comfortable. It has an extra button here just in case I want to button it. And when I do, it's not too tight across the bust, but I prefer open. I'm just not sure. I don't know. I don't think I'm 100% in love with this dress for $135. I don't know. I'm just unsure. It'll go in the maybe pile, and if I decide to keep it, it will go up. I just have so many dresses in black and in navy. It's like, I would have to say out of everything in my closet, 50% is either black or navy. So I don't know, it's a consideration. And last but not least, we have the Blaze ribbed knit dress by Goldray in black and a size small for $68. I think this dress is great. It's fine. It fits me comfortably. It's really, really soft. And I love the way it looks. The only thing is I have damn near 100 dresses almost exactly like this. You know, little variations or whatnot. So this will be a no, but it's a no just for the simple fact that I could probably toss a rock in my closet and hit 10 of these. So, but I mean, it's a really soft, if you don't have anything like this in your closet, it is really comfortable. It is really soft. I mean, it's so soft. And this pleating on the side just is pretty much good for any type of body frame. It just kind of makes everything look nice and neatly squozed in there. Okay, you guys, so that was Stitch Fix. I'm really undecided on a couple of things, so I will put up in the corners whatever I decide to keep. Even if I do decide to size up or whatever, or change, I'll just put little notes like, oh, I decided to size up and get this in a black or green or whatever. But that was Stitch Fix. I did forget to mention that I should still have a coupon code to where you get $50 off of your first fix. I will link that down below. If it's not any good, if you click on it, it'll still take you to my link, and you'll still get $25 towards your first fix. I'm almost positive not only do they give you whether it's $25 or $50 towards your next fix, they also waive the styling fee for your first fix. So it's just kind of a win-win. Whatever money you get towards your first fix, I get towards my next fix. So it's just kind of a win-win altogether. But anyway, that will be down below. If I didn't mention it, there's a giveaway going on. That's linked down below. Any other pertinent information is linked down below. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope this video took you out of your space for a little while, and we'll see you next time. Bye.